Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing well today. Happy Saturday. Figure I'd give everybody a heads up on your assignments. So just to let you know, your discussions are due tonight and also tomorrow. You have your week 6 assignments, both the morpher targets and the full character body without the head connected. You'll connect the head on the morpher target assignment. So that's a lot of good. So I figured, I also talked on a couple of somebody's discussion today and noticed there's some discussions missing. If you get your discussions in, that'll help you out in your grades. I really appreciate that. Other than that, let's get into it and take a look at some of the phonemes that's going to help you out with your morpher target. So half the assignment for the morpher target. This is why I think it's always like the hardest assignment out of any of these. The biggest thing about this one is the fact that the phonemes. Now, half of the assignment, if you can't get the phonemes, it's cool. We can just do half the assignment, just attach the head and everything's fine. But if you want to get the extra effort and get those extra 50 points in and really not take a big hit, try doing the 12 character busts all lined up with labels underneath them showing the different phonemes. And this is what I'm going to do. And phonemes are just a facial expression that showcases what a sound would make based upon letters or words. And then you can combine them into phrases, sentences, and then create the keyframes. And then you're creating facial animation with somebody speaking. And that's huge. So these are expressions that the characters fit. They're trying to form words. And these can be matching expressions. And you can cause different ones like emotions, such as horror and happiness. These all kind of play a part with each other. Now, these are the 5 versions, or the 10 versions I want you to kind of go after. This one, so you have A and I. Now, no, A and I are grouped together, but no, they're totally different with how they're structured. A is more open. I is very elongated vertically. You also have E, O, and U. You know how E just kind of spreads out a little bit. O is where the O kind of stretches out, and U kind of puckers in a little bit more. Now, these are the 5 that I'm looking for the consonants, and these are the 10 heads that you're going to get. Not including the eye blink in your custom expression. These are the other 5 that are going to be. So consonants, anything that's a C, D, G, K, N, R, S, T, H, Y, and Z, you're going to bite down like the C. And that's how it's going to come out. W and Q are much like the U part. It's just going to be a little bit more puckered in, and it's like Q, and it's really pulling. MBP, the mouth is closed, and you can see kind of the under part of the lip pop up a little bit more. L and sometimes TH, the mouth is open and the tongue is popping up on the top of the teeth. And then F and B, where it's like biting the bottom of the lip. Those are the 10 phonemes I'm going to look for when you do it. And please put a label, or if you want to, give me like a Word document to show me which head is which. That way I can see that a little bit easier. Sometimes it can be hard to tell depending on an O or a U or a W and Q. They kind of play a part with that, so it'd be good to have those labels. But those are the 10 I'm looking for, not including also the other 2 that you need, which is the eye blink and your custom animation. And that's pretty much it. So you have those both assignments on Sunday, the course projects, and then your your discussion assignment due tonight. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'm going to get some time and catch up on some grades tonight. That way I'll have your feedback tonight from some stuff, and then we'll go from there. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. And talk to you soon. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.